Crisp autumnal air fills the Swiss Federal Institute of Technology. Inside, something remarkable takes shape. With vision-controlled jetting, a robotic hand is 3D printed, bearing an uncanny resemblance to our own. It's a blend of the biological and the mechanical, a hybrid of soft and rigid. 19 tendon-like structures, complete with touchpads and pressure sensors, granted the ability to mimic the movements of a human hand. Each layer is meticulously inspected and adjusted by a 3D laser scanner, ensuring the utmost precision. And the applications? Limitless. A robotic heart, a 6-legged robot, and even a metamaterial capable of absorbing vibrations. With this, we're not just pushing boundaries, we're obliterating them. This is the future, where technology doesn't just imitate life, it mirrors it. The dawn of a new era in robotics, where soft meets hard and the impossible becomes reality.